I've decided to do my math project on parabolas and what those would look like in Etch-a-Sketch. But before I started that, I decided to take a look at Euclidean geometry and figure out what exactly a parabola is in that geometry system. In Euclidean geometry, a parabola must have a focus and a directrix, and each point lying on the parabola must be equidistant with the focus and the directrix. So then when I switched to EaS geometry, I started by picking a random directrix and a random focus, which you can see here and here. Then I chose to start with this point and make it equidistant from the focus and the directrix. So in Etch-a-Sketch we count by measuring the number of spaces. So then this would be 2 and 2. From there I decided to move up from the directrix and make it 3, and then chose to focus on the focus, and made it 1, 2, 3. I did the same thing over to 4s, 1, 2, 3, 4 from the directrix, and 1, 2, 3, 4 from the focus, and then I realized 5 would start looking like this, where you go up 1 and over 5 to get 6, when this is 6 from the directrix. I continued this process on the other side, and so I got a parabola that looked like this. I then chose a different directrix and a different focus for my next one, and went through the same process, starting with this center point right here, so the vertex of the parabola, making it 4 away from the directrix and 4 away from the focus. Continued the process I did in the other parabola to get a similar looking one, but I ran out of room over here. That's all I have for right now, but what I'm going to do to continue this process is find out if there's any other way that this side of the parabola can look instead of going straight up. Maybe if I went down 1 and over 5, would that be different than going up 1 and over 5? Yeah, so I'm going to test that. Then I'm going to turn the parabolas, so maybe the focus would lie right here and the directrix would lie over here. Maybe the directrix will be up here and the focus will be down here, so the parabola will be flipped in like a, I guess, N shape. Yeah, that's where I'm headed with this math project, and yeah, that's it. Thanks, Brett.